someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream.
Hey Glamfam, so today we are going to be going in and trying out both of the kinds of concealers that e.l.f. has and that they have a pretty good reputation. I'm really excited. Really quick, if you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I hope you click that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glamfam. And let's keep this intro short and sweet and jump into this video. So, there are two different kinds of concealers that I have today. They are both by e.l.f. And one is the 16-hour camo concealer. This one is matte, and this one is the hydrating camo concealer, and this one is hydrating. So I'm gonna guess like satiny. So I'm going to be putting one on one side of my face and the other on the other side of my face for my concealer and do my makeup as usual, and then see what they look like and how they feel. They are not perfect matches for the color, which sucks, but I'm gonna try and work with what I have. Let's prime our face. I am gonna be going in with the All-Star ColourPop Primer. The first one I'm going to be going in with is the Light Peach Concealer. So as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. So nice, it's a pretty big concealer with a huge doe foot applicator, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to imagine I'm gonna love. And you get a good amount of product. I'm gonna say this is enough product for me to do all of my concealing in one dip. And so that's really, really nice. So let's go ahead and go in with this one. And we are just going to place this where we normally would conceal. Onto the right side of the face. Maybe go into some blemishes. Alright, and then we are going to take the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer and do the same thing on the other side of our face. So this is what it looks like. It has a black top instead of a white top, and it has that same doe foot applicator. The color isn't completely off, which I thought it was going to be. Okay, already I can see that maybe this one has a little bit more coverage. Then I'm going to be taking my Juno & Co. blender sponges, which, by the way, I did do a review on these. If you would like to check them out, I will link it up here. Now I'm just going to take the first Beauty Blender and just start to blend this side out. Just like I normally would. Wow. Oh my god, guys, that is a lot of coverage. Wow, holy crap. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is like some serious coverage, guys. Ooh, wow. I actually did not expect this. And now that I'm blending it out, it is a little light for me. But that's okay, we're gonna work with what we got. Alright, then I'm just going to blend this side out. Dang. This is a lot of coverage as well. They are both super, I would say they are both full coverage easily. I would definitely say that I used too much product, but it's still blending out pretty good. Now that it is blended out, let me come in close to you guys. This one is definitely a more satiny finish, and this one is 100% matte. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and do my foundation regularly. This is Juvia's Place in Bolivia and Madagascar. I'm going to be doing a little bit of contouring. I will say that the concealers are a faster drying concealer, so you do have to work pretty fast with them. I'm just going to be taking the NYX HD finishing powder, and we are going to put this onto our face to set all of it, and we're not going to use that much. I'm gonna go finish my makeup and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back with the finished results, and I've gotta say, I freaking love them. If you guys would like to see this makeup tutorial, it will be linked up here if it is up yet. If it is not, it will be up soon. And if you turn on your notifications and click that bell and click all, you will be notified when it does go up. I actually really like both of these concealers. I will say that the matte for me is more coverage, in the sense that you don't see as much underneath the concealer. They are both super high coverage. They are both super pigmented, and I would probably compare these to Shape Tapes. Out of the two, I am going to say that I like the hydrating concealer more, only because the matte really wrinkles underneath my eye, because I have fine lines under both of my eyes. But does that mean that I wouldn't use the matte ever? No, it's still a really good concealer. The blendability for both of them is really amazing. The dry time is fast, so when you get this, you need to get to blending right away. Sorry about the lipstick on my teeth. So would I purchase these again? 100%, and I probably am going to purchase them again. Just so you guys know, this is all of my own opinions. e.l.f. did not send me these. I bought these with my own money. The shade range is pretty good for both sets of these concealers, and they do have different types of tones. So they have pinky tones, yellow tones, neutral tones, warm tones, and cool tones. And yeah, so let me know which side you liked better in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye!